Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix eFootball game black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android phones. So let's begin with the fixes over here. So the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, go ahead, launch the eFootball 2026 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for eFootball app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for eFootball 2026 and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then go back, launch the game and check. Third fix is to check internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the eFootball app and check. If that doesn't work, and if you're already connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check eFootball app is working or not. Fourth fix is to force stop eFootball app. So tap and hold eFootball app icon, then click on app info and then click on force stop and then tap on force stop to confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to also clear the eFootball app cache. So again tap and hold eFootball app icon, then click on app info. Then tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then you have to also clear the app data. So again tap and hold eFootball app icon, then click on app info. Then tap on storage usage and then click on clear data. Now please take a note over here that clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the eFootball app icon, then click on app info. Then tap on battery usage and then select the first option, that is a allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, then tap on software update, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and after updating your device, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next fix is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Proton VPN, Turbo VPN, Ninja VPN, Brave VPN, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the eFootball app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to reinstall eFootball app. So tap and hold eFootball app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it, and then after uninstalling it, just restart your device, and once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for eFootball 2026 and then tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then last thing you must do is to check for the eFootball app server status, and if you find that their server status is offline, under maintenance, it is down or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve eFootball 2026 game black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.